Life is full of challenges, and at times, it may feel like the weight of the world is on your shoulders. But in those moments, remember this: the journey is never easy for anyone. Everyone faces obstacles, but what sets successful people apart is their ability to keep going when everything feels impossible. Never give up, even when the road ahead seems long and filled with uncertainty. Every setback you face is not a sign to quit, but an opportunity to grow stronger. The best stories in life are not written by those who gave up, but by those who kept pushing forward despite the odds. Understand this: failure is not the end. It's a lesson, a stepping stone that brings you closer to your dreams. It's in the moments of struggle that you discover your true potential. The challenges you face today are only temporary, but the strength you build through perseverance lasts a lifetime. You may feel tired, you may feel defeated, but don't let those feelings define you. You are capable of more than you think. Take it one step at a time, keep your focus, and keep moving forward. Your breakthrough could be just around the corner. So, when you want to give up, remind yourself why you started. You are stronger than you know, and your journey is worth every step. Stay persistent, keep your faith in yourself, and never give up. The best is yet to come.